It's time for the 3:30 Focus with Ted London, powered by the law offices of Ted London and Associates.
There is a chance, I know that we can make it through the good and the bad. We're strong enough to take it. We are the ones who will never forsake it. The life that we live and the beauty that creates us.
We are back on the afternoon show with Atiba Buchanan and LaDonna Ray live on WVON's Facebook page, live on AM 1690, The Talk of Chicago, live on iHeartRadio. And it is about 3:38, time for our good friend, Attorney Ted London, and the legal line. And he just blessed us with this beautiful song that I'm sure many of us have never heard. I know I've never heard it, so I can't wait to hear more about it. Attorney Ted, the floor is yours, and welcome.
Well, Mr. Atiba, Miss LaDonna, good afternoon to both of you.
Good afternoon.
Again, I'm so grateful to be on with you every Thursday. It's such a pleasure and a privilege. Well, that song is by a Lindsey Webster, Lindsey Webster, Webster. The name of that tune is Free to Be Me. Free to Be Me by Lindsey Webster. That. Really a terrific tune. Actually, that's a terrific album. This Lindsey Webster lady was in town about a month ago, and Kelly and I actually went to go see her. Pretty good concert. It was a real small venue, but it was just an okay concert. But I do really like her. She is one of my new favorites, but in concert, not really as impressive.
Hey, let me tell you, Attorney London, the young people, they would call that mid.
What would they call? What would they call it, Atiba?
Mid, M-I-D. They would say it was mid.
Mid. Okay,
like,
that's
like
the new
middle of the road kind of.
Well,
yeah.
Hey, Atiba, and Miss LaDonna.
Go ahead.
That was mid. It was a mid concert.
Yeah.
And but she is still one of my favorites. Now I will make this confession. I did pick up my tickets to the Al Green concert in Ravinia. So I do have my tickets for Al Green and the OJs are going to be in Ravinia.
Amen. Attorney London, I'm glad you said it because I'll probably be there with you.
I'm sitting here thinking, and it's hard to keep up. I'm like, he's still alive? I know that sounds horrible, but
yes,
I'm like,
he is.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, that place, Ravinia is going to be packed for Al Green and the OJs. You're going to have to get there early. Otherwise, you're going to get caught in a major traffic jam. You're likely going to be late. You're not going to be able to find parking. Is he still alive? Yeah. I think the doors open at 5. The concert's at 7. You better get there at 3 if you want to be set by the time, because it's going to be packed and the traffic's going to be horrible. So, I'm all prepared, yes.
Well, let me ask you this. Are you sitting in the pavilion or are you going to be on the lawn?
No, who wants to sit in the pavilion at Ravinia? No, you want to take your own chairs and your own little blanket, have your own little coolers and have your own snacks and things, and with a bunch of friends, and have some drinks and tell some stories and have some laughs, and never the pavilion.
I'm so glad you see. I was asking that for a reason. So now I know I can stop by your table.
Yeah, well, Atiba, no, Atiba, you're not going to stop by my table. You're going to stop by my lawn. Yeah, there'll be no table for the Londons. There'll be some lawn.
Right.
Pull up a grass stain on your pants and have a seat.
Yes,
that's the way it's going to be for the Londons.
And last thing, are you going to be wearing linen? Because I think that feels linen appropriate.
You know what, Atiba, there's probably going to be some shorts. Hopefully, it's going to be hot.
Oh, yeah.
And so it's probably going to be more like some shorts, a T-shirt, some sandals, and some kind of bucket hat, probably.
There you go.
And so yeah, probably not going to be. Hey, Atiba, if you're going to wear linen, you might as well sit in the pavilion.
Right. Got you.
Yeah.
I have a question that's off.
Yes.
That's like off topic altogether. I don't know why I go to sleep and wake up with this jingle in my head. That's Attorney Ted London's commercial that plays on WVON. But I wanted to know what are the lyrics saying? Because if I could have it clear in my memory, that would be even better.
Well, I'm going to leave that. Hopefully, we'll have one of the callers call in and sing the lyrics of the song. You know what? When our clients come into the office, oftentimes they will sing the lyrics of the song, and that just makes me so happy. So if any of the listeners can call in and sing the lyrics of the song, so Miss LaDonna can understand what in the world they're talking about, I would be grateful. LaDonna, if no one calls in by the end of the show, then I will sing the lyrics for you personally.
Okay, thank you.
But let's see if we can have one of the listeners call in and sing the lyrics to Miss LaDonna.
All right, that's 773-591-1690. Hit those phone lines if you know the lyrics to Ted London's commercial, the jingle that plays on WVON.
Well, it plays on and on. So
oh my goodness!
Someone should be able to call and sing the lyrics. And listen, if they call and sing the lyrics, I will send them an authentic Ted London and Associates coffee mug.
Oh, wow.
So whoever calls, it's actually a beautiful mug. We give those to all the clients that we love in our office, which we love them all. But if you call and sing the Ted London lyrics, we'll send 2 coffee mugs. You can never have just one coffee mug. You always have to have matching coffee mugs. And we will actually send 2 coffee mugs to first caller that calls and sings the Ted London jingle, so Miss LaDonna will know what they're talking about.
Well, let's see if we have a winner right now.
Okay, let's see if we have a winner.
You're on WVON.
When you need your estate plan done, Attorney London.
Oh my God! Well, that is it.
Yes.
That is it. That is it. Well, can you give me your name again, please?
Dacia.
Dacia, can you please call my office right now, and so you can give my assistants your name and address, and either we'll mail you the mugs out right away, or you can drop in and pick them up. Either one.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for singing the song so beautifully. Next time I do a new commercial, we'll have you as the singer. You sounded terrific.
There you go. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Listen, she's an avid listener, Attorney London. I greatly appreciate her. And, of course, you've blown up the phone lines. Now all these other people calling in.
No. Listen, let's get some more people that can call. And let's have our own The Voice here today. Let's see who sings the lyrics the best. And we're going to send them all mugs. So if you get on and you sing the song, we're going to give them thumbs up or thumbs down. In any event, you're going to get mugs. So let's take the calls and let's see who's singing the Ted London jingle the best.
All right, Showtime on the afternoon show.
Right.
I want to be Sandman Sims. We've got Gracie on line 2. Hey, Gracie.
Sing it, girl.
It's Bracy with a B.
Oh, Bracy.
Bracy.
Bracy. Bracy.
Yep.
Yes, Bracy.
When you need your estate done, call Attorney Ted London.
Yes. Great job.
Bracy sounds like she is in the choir.
Yes.
She's in the apostolic choir, I can tell.
I just love Ativa and LaDonna. I just love these people. They have such soothing voices. Sometimes during the day I'm going through a little something, I turn the radio on, and everything is all right.
Oh, thank you, Bracy. That is so sweet.
Well, Bracy, you have one of those voices as well. You've made me lower the tone of my voice, Miss Bracy. So, you're a terrific voice you have as well. So, Miss Bracy, please call our office so we can get your information. We can send your mugs out. You're going to get 2 mugs as well. Again, the number at the office, Miss Bracy, is 773-721-3333. 773-721-3333. Call Miss Bracy and let us get you your mugs right out to you.
Thank you.
Bracie.
Thank you for calling in.
Bracy. All right, first man of the day.
Yeah, first guy.
Let's hear it.
Brother Charles. The floor is yours.
Brother Charles, let's hear it.
How you doing?
Good, brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let's hear it, Brother Charles.
When you need your estate plan done, Call Attorney London.
He put the vibrato on it and everything.
He sure did.
Listen, Attorney
Hold
London,
on.
he had
He sounds
3
like-
seconds before I was about to go.
Hey, Atiba, he sounds like the original singer of the commercial.
He sure did.
He sounds like he's. This is not Charles. Are you the singer of the commercial?
Yes, I am.
That's
Oh,
from
wow.
Vida. Oh, that's why. That's why it sounds so good, because he is the one who sang that jingle. Charles, welcome. Yeah, that is Mr. Charles Leiter. He's the one who sang that beautiful verse on that commercial, which we're so grateful because we get so many callers and so many clients as a result of the commercial and the song. And actually, Charles is in the commercial. If you see the commercial on television, he is in the commercial on the television as well. So, Charles,
Oh, my
welcome.
God. That was so great.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you, Charles.
I knew that voice sounded good, and I said that sounded like the original. And of course, his brother
Now,
Charles.
How is it?
Thanks so
how
much
is
for calling
anybody
in,
supposed to go
Charles.
after Charles?
Right.
It's hard.
I was
It's
going to
hard.
try.
Thank you so
but
much,
yeah,
Charles.
no.
Thank you, Charles. We appreciate you. All right, Lee, the floor is yours.
When you need your estate plan done, call Attorney London.
Oh, I like that.
Come on, another home run.
And you know what? Here's what I'm hearing in this Atiba, Miss LaDonna, and Miss Lee. I'm hearing a WVON choir coming together right here. Yeah, listen, I'm going to be texting Mel right after this segment, and we're going to see how we can put us together at WVON choir. We have not only do we have smart people tuning in to WVON, we have talented people as well.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. Miss Lee, that was terrific.
That was great.
That was-
You want to
Call
tell her how to get her mug?
Yeah, please,
It's
Miss
just
Lee.
funny
call
that
us.
I know the jingle. I've heard it so many times I didn't even realize
Yeah, right.
I knew it.
Yes, indeed. Well, you sang it superbly.
how you know
You
it's
and
working.
Charles would be like Ashford and Simpson if you put the song together.
Right.
So you sound terrific. So please, Miss
Thank
Lee,
you.
call our office right away. Again, number 773-721-3333. Give my assistant Tanya your information, and you can either come and pick them up, or we'll mail them out to you right away.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for calling. Thank
All
you.
right, there's more. There's more.
Let's take them.
Joseph, the floor is yours.
Yes, I was going to say one thing. Attorney London, last time I was off, that hospital is Rush Presbyterian St. Luke's. I'm sorry about that. Now, when you need your state plan done, call Mr. Ted London. When the president,
He remixed it.
One more. That was the baritone. And Mr. T, was still there?
Yeah, I hear you, bro.
Yes, I'm going to be in Bloomington next week, and I'm going to check on your daughter at Illinois State and everything.
Thank you, good
So
sir. I appreciate that.
I have to come back and see you again, me and my twin brother again, and you're one of the best attorneys in the country. One more time. When you need your state plan done, call Mr. Ted London.
Well, we definitely need Joseph in the choir as well. That's the baritone. Was that baritone there?
Joseph can direct it.
Right.
Joseph can direct it. Got it. Joseph can direct it. Okay. Well, we need all skills in this choir here. But Joseph, you know how to reach me to come get your mugs. Again, 773-721-3333. Joseph, you may already have your mugs, but if not, or even if you do, please call and come pick up your two new Ted London and Associates beautiful mugs. The mugs are actually beautiful. I really do like them. I use them every morning, and our clients love them as well. So if you keep calling, we have enough to give them to everyone that gets into the line today if they just sing that one little jingle.
All right, we got one more.
The Ted London jingle. Let's hear it.
Ironically, his name is Sil. Hey, Sil.
Hey, Sil.
Hey, when you need your state done,
Come on.
call Mr. Ted London.
Sound like Ray Charles.
Listen,
who I am.
Hold on. But he is not just a singer. He comes across with the pastor vibe as well. He's a singing pastor.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
Oh, is that okay? No, I'm a
that what it is?
spiritual
He's a
engineer.
praying
I'm a
deacon.
spiritual engineer.
You're a spiritual engineer. Well, I can tell you have some spirituality to your tone, Sil.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've been around quite a bit of it, but it was never really around me.
Well, he can call
Well-
that number, Ted, right?
Well, still, please call our number at 773-721-3333. And our phones are ringing. People are calling and getting their mugs. And give us your name and address, and we're going to get your mugs out right away to you. So if you want to come in and sing, no, you don't have to sing. You already heard your wonderful voice. If you want to come in and pick your mugs up at the office, you can do that as well. But please call 773-721, and we'll have them ready for you.
I'll be at the bookstore tomorrow, and I'll come across.
Come on by, and we'll have 2 mugs for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for playing and singing the Ted London theme song. Yeah.
Now I know the words, Ted.
Yeah.
I know the words.
Hey, Mr. Donna, you're a singer. Let's hear you sing it.
Oh. When you need your real estate done, call Attorney Ted London. I had to get the lyrics in my head. I should have wrote them down.
You got it. You know what, LaDonna, we owe you a couple of mugs as well.
All right.
So I'm going to make sure we get you. And see, of course, you should have had some by now. Anyway,
I know where your office is.
You know where we are.
I've used your services. Yes, thank
indeed.
you.
And you can come by any time and get your mugs. So
Absolutely.
we're so grateful.
Thank you.
We're so grateful.
Preston Shank says he sounds like he's singing for a funeral. Come on, man.
He is.
No.
Real estate
Cut us
planning. You gotta prepare. Come on.
Cut the man some slack. Everybody.
No. I
afternoon
thought
in
he
the chat.
sounded like yes. What else are they saying in the chat, Atiba?
Well, Sally Brown says, I love the show. I'm a listener from Philly. I find myself with my iPhone tuned into WVON and my tablet tuned into WURD. But I enjoy the topics on WVON the most. I love relationship shows. She goes on to say, on Friday, David Seaton show is my favorite, but I disagree with him on mostly all of his views. Keep up the great work.
She didn't say favorite. She said on Friday, David Seaton show is my show.
Okay, that's about the same thing.
Yeah, I got
but
it.
we got Honey on line 1 who I think wants to sing for us. Hey Honey.
Let's hear it, Honey.
Oh, hi, Bob. My name is Connie.
Connie.
Oh, Connie.
Like Connie's
Yes.
Pizza. Thank you, Connie.
Hey, Connie.
Hey,
Yeah.
Connie.
Okay, I'm
Let's
ready.
hear it, Connie.
We're
ready too.
You need your essay done. Call Attorney London.
Hey.
Oh, that's what. So everybody's been saying something different. I've been
Yes.
hearing real estate, planning. I've been hearing all kind of stuff in different tunes. So yeah.
You know what? We accept it all. It's estate planning. Actually, Connie, you are right, Connie. It's estate planning. But listen, we can help you with your real estate matters, your injury matters, or whatever matter that you have. You can call us, and we can help you. If we can't, we'll help you find someone that can. So whatever you say,
You know what,
get in there for
guys?
us, Miss Connie.
I met Attorney London in his office, and I mean, he was great. You won't regret going there. Please go.
Thank you very much, Miss
Thank
Connie.
you, Connie.
Thank you, Miss.
So, Miss Connie, again, you know how to reach us, Miss Connie, and get us your information. We'll mail your mugs out right away, or if you want to come in and pick them up, you may already have one, but if not, just come on in or give us a call, and we'll send them out to you right away.
Here's a comment you'll appreciate, Attorney London. Miss
Yes.
Deborah says, that was fun.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone. Glad Matt is doing okay.
Hey, let me tell you guys a story about Matt. Matt is so funny.
I know you have many.
Again, I have many, but I'm going to tell you about the one with the sciatica that he has now. So Matt and I are in a group chat with a couple of our buddies, been friends since high school, so that's decades now. So Matt was saying that he was at the hospital yesterday, went in for sciatica treatment. He was in a lot of pain, and so he said when the nurse was asking him about what caused him to come in, and he was telling about the pain, he said it was painful, and Matt said he started crying. And so we tease Matt all the time that if the wind blows too hard, Matt will start crying. and so I mean, if it gets windy, Matt will. Now I was actually joking with my assistants about crying today because I was joking about Matt early today with my assistants, and I was saying, you know what, I have a propensity to cry watching some television shows sometimes. All of a sudden, I'll just get kind of teary. And I gave an example. If I'm watching the Andy Griffith show, and if Opie says something to his dad, Pa, why did that happen, Pa? And I'll start tearing up. And I'll tell Kelly, no, I'm not crying, dear. I just cut some onions, and some of them are still under my fingernails. It's the onions, dear. I'm not crying. So I don't know. Maybe as men get a little bit older, they get a little bit more sensitive, and they may tear up a little bit. So Matt cries when the wind blows. I cry watching Andy Griffin show. Isn't that something?
That is really something. I know one thing.
Isn't that something?
The right sciatic pain will make you cry.
Oh, right. Well, maybe it was for the pain, because he said he was crying when he was telling the nurse what the pain was. I'm sure Matt's not going to mind me sharing that laugh on his expense, because we laugh at each other all the time. So I guess that's what friends do.
Well, we got about 3 minutes left, Attorney London.
Well, you know what? Let's get a little bit of work done today if we can. You know what? I want to just, again, quickly wish all the mothers and grandmothers a happy Mother's Day. It's going to be this Sunday. So all of you mothers who put up with all the bad kids like my mother had to put up with me, we're grateful and we're thankful. And thank you so much. And sometimes kids will tell you, sometimes they don't. You know, I chatted about this a little bit last week when one of my assistants asked if she wonders aloud often, will her children ever thank her for all the work that she's done and sacrificed for them? And she wonders, will they ever thank her for it? And then she asked me the question, did you ever thank your mom? Because my mom passed away. She passed away about 13 years now. My mom was relatively young. She passed away at 69 actually. And so she asked me, did you ever thank your mom? And you know what? I don't think I ever really thanked my mom in the way that I would have liked to. I was thinking about some of the things when it comes to my mom in particular. If my mom knew some of the things that we did as young 13, 11-year-olds, she would just die. The way that sometimes we would cross the streets without looking left and right, the way that she taught us. You know what? We lived in Hyde Park, so we lived really close to the Lake Michigan. And so sometimes my friends and I, we would go over to the lake, and it would be icy outside because it was cold, and the waves are hitting the rocks, and it's all icy along the shores, and we're playing along. And one time, I was over there, maybe 9 or 10 years old. Of course, she had no idea we were over there. And I had a basketball, maybe with 4 or 5 of my friends, and the basketball went into the lake. And there were icebergs on the lake. And I considered getting on the iceberg to get the ball. And, of course, had I done that, that would have been the end of days. And for whatever reason, I didn't. But I was just thinking, if my mother knew that I was at that lake on those icy shores, contemplating getting on an iceberg to get oh my God, she would have died twice. So she would have died twice. Oh my God, she probably would have never been able to get over just the idea that I was there. Not to mention all the beatings I probably would have got once she discovered I was there.
Right,
so,
she would have came back to beat you.
Oh my God! Oh, and if I would have died, they would have resuscitated me for her to beat me, and then I would have gone back to heaven.
Right.
But so to all you mothers, again, it is worth it. Whether kids ever thank you or not, who knows? Maybe they just don't realize. I'm just going to give a secret for children. Oftentimes, we don't realize the benefit of our parents sometimes until we're well into our 50s. And so, if they don't recognize it just yet, please forgive them. But they're going to be thanking you. So I'm thanking you on their behalf. So all you moms and grandmothers, thank you so much, because again, what you do and what you're doing for your children, especially grandchildren, their thanks wouldn't even be enough. But I'm thanking you for them. So thank you all, you moms and you grandmothers out there. We're so grateful to have you.
Well, thank you, Ted London, and so happy to know that I know what lyrics that are playing in my head now.
Yes, you do. Yes,
and
you do.
I know to definitely give your office a call if I need to, and give them that number one more time so that everybody knows where to find you.
Well, again, if you need your estate plan done, call the Attorney London.
Hey.
And the number you can call is 773-721-3333, 773-721-3333. So, I mean, you guys are really one of the best parts of my week from 3:30 until 4. It's a great time. I have a lot of laughs. I am so grateful to be on with you guys. Thank you, Atiba and Miss LaDonna. I'm so grateful.
Please know the sentiment is shared, good sir.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
All right.
So we'll talk next week?
Yes.
You got it.
Thanks very much, guys.
Thank you.
I was having a medical procedure, and I wanted to ensure my kids would get my home should something happen to me. I called attorney Ted London. He provided a land, trust, and power of attorney. Now my kids would not have to go through the probate process.
After the death of my husband, I had to get my affairs in order. I called attorney Ted London. Now my family and home will not have to go through the probate process.
When you need your estate plan done, call Attorney London.
773-721-3333.